Hello and welcome to Everyday English Kid. Listen carefully, try to understand the main ideas, and answer the questions at the end. Stop the video and copy the questions or their numbers.
Our story is about a street in London. This street is called Oxford Street. It is not a small, quiet street. It is very, very long and always full of people. Why are there so many people? Because Oxford Street is one of the best places in the world for shopping. When you walk down Oxford Street, you see shops everywhere. There are big shops and small shops. Some shops are famous all over the world. There is a very big shop called Selfridges. Another big shop is named John Lewis. In these shops, you can buy almost anything. You can buy new clothes, shoes, books, or a phone. You can find presents for your family and friends. Look at the street now. What else can you see? You can see the famous London buses. These buses are a special bright red color. They are very tall with 2 floors. We call them double-decker buses. They go up and down Oxford Street all day.
There is a special time to visit Oxford Street. That time is December. In December, something beautiful happens. The street has amazing Christmas lights. Every year, the lights are different. They are big, bright, and colorful. Many people come just to see these lights. Oxford Street is not only for shopping. You can stop at a cafe. You can sit and eat a cake. You can watch all the people walking by. It is a fun and exciting place. It is noisy, it is busy, and it is full of life. So, if you visit London, you must see Oxford Street. Now, think about your mission. Can you answer the questions?
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more practice.